Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a single-entry multiple exit strategy in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the strategy function with name, single entry, and multiple exit strategy. Here we have calculated and plotted a simple RSI. We will use this as long variable for the strategy entry. If the RSI is greater than 50, we set its value to 1, else we set it to 0. So this is our single entry point. And for the exit, we have 4 exit points. When the RSI goes below 50 level, we have our first exit. When the RSI goes below 40 level, we have our second exit. When the RSI goes below 30 level, we have our third exit. When the RSI goes below 20 level, we have our fourth exit. Then, we have used the strategy.entry function. The first argument is the ID of the entry. The second argument is the direction of the trade. Here we are going to do a long trade. The third argument is the quantity or the number of shares to trade. The fourth argument is the condition and to take the entry. So this is our single entry point. And these are the 4 exits. The first argument is the ID of the exit. The second argument is the ID of the entry. The third argument is the quantity to exit. We are going to exit 25 quantities in each exit. And the last argument is the stop-loss condition. Let's add this strategy to the chart. As you can see, as the RSI goes above 50 level, we have taken a long entry with 100 shares. And as the RSI goes below the 50 level, we exit 25 shares. And when the RSI goes below the 40 level, we exit another 25 shares. And when the RSI goes below the 30 level, we exit another 25 shares. And when the RSI goes below the 20 level, we exit the last 25 shares. You can check the strategy result in the Strategy Tester tab. So that's it. That's how you can implement a single entry, multiple exit strategy in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.